Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to quickly show you how I make my bubbling and smoking drinks. This recipe was inspired by the bubbles and berries that they usually serve at Ocean Prime. So we're just going to get right into it. The first thing you want to do is add your dry ice to the bottom of your cup, your glass. Then you're going to add some regular ice right on top of your dry ice. The next thing you want to do is put your fresh fruit. I have raspberries and strawberries. And I don't need all of it. And then I have my brown brandy alcohol, and that is mixed with some grenadine syrup and some sour mix. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that on. And as you can see, you have bubbles and berries. And there you have it.